Empower transfers often disappear or don't show when your bank connection drops, your eligibility status changes, or the app hasn't fully synced your account after a recent update or login. By the end, you'll know exactly why Empower transfers are not showing, how to fix it step by step, and what to check so your transfer options come back. Start with your bank connection. Empower depends on a live connection to your bank account. If your bank login expired, your password changed, or your bank blocked third-party access, transfer options can stop showing completely. Reconnecting your bank inside the app refreshes the link and restores missing features. Next, check eligibility status. Empower adjusts transfer availability based on account activity, repayment history, and internal risk checks. If your eligibility drops, the transfer option may disappear without a clear error message. Waiting and maintaining normal account activity often restores access over time. Now look at app syncing issues. If Empower hasn't refreshed your account data, it may not display transfer options correctly. This happens after updates, logouts, or device changes. Force refreshing the app by closing it completely, and reopening it often brings the transfer button back. Another factor is verification status. If identity or income verification is incomplete or needs updating, Empower may temporarily hide transfer features. Completing any pending verification steps in the app usually restores full functionality. Also check for temporary service issues. Empower can experience delays when banking connections are slow or when systems are under maintenance. During these periods, transfers may not appear even though your account is fine. Trying again later often resolves it without any changes on your side. Now consider device or app restrictions. Battery saver modes, restricted background data, or outdated app versions can stop Empower from loading full account features. Updating the app and disabling restrictions can fix missing transfer options quickly. Here's the simple breakdown. Empower transfer options usually disappear because of broken bank connections, eligibility changes, syncing problems, verification holds, temporary outages, or device restrictions. Do this next. Reconnect your bank account, complete any verification prompts, update the app, and fully restart your phone. Then reopen Empower and wait a few seconds for the account to sync before checking again. If transfers still don't show, your eligibility may have changed, and in that case you'll need to wait for the system to refresh your account status based on normal usage. Fixing these steps restores transfer visibility for most users without contacting support.